this is a package that came for me from MONAT. My daughter is, I believe she is selling this. If y'all wanna know anything about it, I could give you, if you're interested, then I can give you her, whatever thing from Facebook or Instagram, for you can just ask her all the questions, and in case you want to just order something for yourself, for your mother, you know, grandparents, whatever, anything. Yes, it's great gift for friends, family. So let me just open up this box, okay? I put my mold for nobody can see my address just in case. But let's go check out what I had ordered. So I believe I got myself something for myself and something for my little girl. So let me pause this video. Okay, here we go. Put that right there. Let's go grab what's in here. This says only for you by MONAT. Okay. Leaving in hair perfector. This is for her. And of course, that's it. And I went and grabbed this. I was just looking. I was staring at my table, or the whatever the heck that is. I guess from what the stuff that I have been doing and stuff. I made another pyramid, which I forgot to post a video, but whatever. Anyway, that's not what I'm supposed to be talking about. It's supposed to be about, what the heck does it say? By MONAT Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate, I think that's what it says. Oil intensive. I don't remember ordering this. What the heck is this? I know I told my daughter what to get me, but then, did she get me the right stuff? A MONAT Purity blend of unique botanical oil rich in rejuvenating vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that mimic the body's own natural oils, allowing for deeper, quicker, and more complete absorptions for the hair and skin. Hair and skin. Uh, is this the right stuff I ordered? I thought I ordered something for my skin, not for my freaking hair. Hello? Am I reading this wrong? What is this? We are Madam Nature. We say no to toxic ingredients. How to use, maybe use a towel dried. Okay, this is for the little one. So, hello here. Hair and skin? No. I think this is something wrong here. Or, no. I'm trying to open it with one hand. Oh, crap. Damn. Rejuvenate. Okay. It really don't say much, but the company's name and all that. See? And it also says 12 month. What the heck? Is this for the hair too? I thought it was supposed to be for the face. Trust me when I tell you. Do not ask me. Oh, it has some instructions in here. Damn, now I can't get it out. Okay. What the heck? Oh, we're showing you how to open the bottle. Okay. Showing you how to do it step by step. Nah, rich in omega-9 fatty acid. Sunflower seed oil, Mexico, rich in oleic acid. Oleic acid. The potent botanical oils from around the world that enhance the effectiveness of the absence oil are. It says all those oils. Now, I thought this was supposed to be okay. So you could use it on your hair and skin. Okay, okay, but I don't remember asking anything about hair. Not for my hair. I said skin. So you know what? I'm not gonna be using it for my hair. But oops. Yep. Look, I'll leave it just like that for you can just like read. Hopefully I'm doing it right because the paper, you know. So let me try to focus in right for you. Just in case you would like, you know. I can leave the website, but I'm gonna leave my daughter's information because now she has become, I don't know what you call it. I'm a VIP now, but she is starting to sell their products. So the other side is a different language. So okay. So yeah, I'll try to use it, but I thought I ordered something different. I don't remember this one. Unless they're gonna send it later. I don't know. Because this one is different. I don't remember this one. So I ordered something for the face. I didn't know you could use this also on the hair. So anyway. And I forgot how much it cost too. I forgot the prices. But yeah, that is what I received. Okay. From MONAT. Of course, not from my daughter, but from MONAT. From the company itself. I will leave their website and anything. And if I forget for some reason, just message me on the bottom. Because sometimes with everything I'll be doing, I'll be forgetting things. So, yeah. But bye, everyone. I'm going to try this out to see if it works. And this one is for my little one to try on her hair. Damn, everything is so small, I can't even see. May be used on towel dried or dry hair. What the heck? Emulsify and apply evenly to clean towel dry hair and style as desired. And it's also say 12 months from when you open it. Okay, that's it. So, bye everyone. I'll probably put my daughter's Instagram and Facebook and all that. Hopefully I don't freaking forget like I be doing sometimes. Bye everyone.